Hi guys, it's Marty here, and in this video we're going to be covering how to add download buttons in WordPress. And this way our visitors will be able to download any files we want to offer on our website. So to get started, we just need to make sure we have the file downloaded to our computer, and for the example, I'm going to use this image. But the same steps will work for any file type, and we can also use folders if we want to offer multiple files at the same time. Then once we have the file downloaded to our computer, the first thing we need to do is compress it to a zipped file. So on Windows, we just need to right-click, then go to Compress to, and choose Zip File. Then once we have the zipped file on our computer, we're going to open up our WordPress website. Then from the dashboard, we need to click into Media on the left, and then click Add New Media File at the top. Now, we're going to click Select Files in the middle, find the zipped version of our file, click on it, and click Open. Then once it's been uploaded, we're going to click on it. And then over here on the right, beside File URL, we're going to click Copy URL to Clipboard, and this is the URL we're going to use to create our download button. Then once we've got it copied, we can close out of this, and now we're going to create the actual button. To do this, we just need to open up the page or post we want to add it to in the editor. Then take a new line where we want our button to appear, click the plus symbol to the right, type the word button into this search bar, and then click on the button's block to add it to our page. Now we can type the button text we want to use in here. Then we're going to click on the button to make sure it's selected, and then click the little chain link icon in the menu above it. Now we just need to right-click and paste the URL we copied into this box, and then hit Enter on our keyboard to add the link. Then once we're finished, we need to click Save in the top right to publish our changes. And now when we visit the post, we'll see our button is here. And when we click on it, it'll automatically download the file to our computer. And if I click here, we'll see that the image has been downloaded successfully. So that's us now at the end, and that was how to add download buttons in WordPress. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a like here on YouTube to show your support, and subscribe to the channel for more WordPress tutorials in future. Also, be sure to leave any suggestions in the comments for videos you'd like to see from this channel. Once again, my name's Marty, and thank you for watching.